Today, let's focus on the topic plant hormones. Plant hormones are chemical substances needed to regulate and coordinate activities in plants. Plant hormones are also known as phytohormones. Phyto meaning plants. Plant hormones are classified into two types: growth promoters and growth inhibitors. From the term, you can understand that growth promoters means which will promote the growth in plants, and growth inhibitors will inhibit the growth in plants. The growth promoter hormones are auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, and growth inhibitors are abscisic acid, ethylene. Now let's see about the first plant hormone, auxin. Auxin is synthesized at the shoot and the root tip. Increased concentration of auxin is mainly seen at the shoot tip. Auxin helps in cell enlargement and differentiation. It also promotes apical dominance, which enable the apex part of the plant to grow longer. That is, because of auxin concentration at the shoot tip, the shoot grows longer in length. And auxin also helps in bending of shoot towards light. Hope you all remember this movement as phototrophism. That is, the shoot part of the plant grows along the direction of the stimulus light. So auxin plays a major role in phototrophism. You can see the picture of the plant which is given below in the slide, where you can see the shoot is bending towards the direction of the light. Now let us see how auxin helps in phototrophism, or how does the auxin plays a vital role in bending of shoot towards light. Here is a picture showing shoot tip of a plant. When the shoot tip of a plant detects sunlight, a hormone called auxin is synthesized at the shoot tip. This hormone auxin is responsible for the cells to grow longer. When light falls on one side of the plant, the hormone auxin slowly diffuses towards the shady side of the shoot. That is, in this picture you can see the light rays are falling on the right side of the stem part, the shoot part, and the auxin slowly diffuses towards the left side where it is shady, where the region of the stem is shady. As the auxin diffuses towards a shady part of the plant, there is an increased concentration of auxin in the shady region than the region of the plant which is exposed to sunlight. The increased concentration of auxin in the shady region enables the cells to grow longer. So you can see in the shady region, the cells grow longer than the region which is exposed to sunlight because of the increased concentration of auxin. So as the cells grow longer, you can see the bending of the plant takes place towards the direction of the sunlight. Thus you can understand that the auxin concentration in the shoot enables the plant to bend towards the direction of the stimulus, the sunlight. Here is an activity to show phototrophism in plants. Fill a conical flask with water. Cover the neck of the flask with a wire mesh. Keep 2 or 3 freshly germinated bean seeds on the wire mesh. Take a cardboard box which is open from one side. Keep the flask in the box in such a manner the open side of the box faces light coming from a window. After 2 or 3 days, we can notice that the shoot bend towards light and the roots away from the light. The bending of shoot towards light is positive phototrophism and the roots moving away from light is negative phototrophism. The next plant hormone is gibberellins. Gibberellins play a vital role in growth of the plants along with auxin. The main role of gibberellins are stem elongation, that is internodal elongation. The nodal part, the distance between two nodes get elongated because of the secretion of gibberellins. And they are also responsible for flower formation, germination of seeds, and are also for formation of seedless fruits. Another important growth promoter hormone is cytokinin. From the term cytokinin, you can understand that this hormone plays a vital role in cell division, and this is also responsible for opening of stomata. Cytokinin also inhibits apical dominance and it will promote lateral bud formation, that is branching of plants is enabled by cytokinin, and it also inhibits leaf senescence, that is aging of leaves, promoting growth. Next is about the growth inhibitor hormones. First, abscisic acid. Plants also need signals to stop growing. Sometimes you can see certain dried parts of the plants like leaves or branches have to stop growth and they have to be removed from the plant, and this is done by these growth inhibitors. Abscisic acid, they are mainly responsible for wilting of leaves, that is falling of leaves, and also they promote dormancy of seeds. Dormancy meaning inactive buds, and also responsible for stomatal closure, by which they inhibit the growth in plants. Ethylene. Ethylene is mainly needed for ripening of fruits and also promotes aging and senescence.